Welcome back. In the previous video, we add a product in our online store. You can see right here. Now I will be creating a collection or a category in our online store. Alright, so here you can see, if we go here, you can see a collection. To create a collection or category, we click on this one. By default, Shopify has homeless has collection, which we are not going to use. We are going to create a new collection. So let's say create a collection. We just can type in the name of the collection right here. This can men t-shirt, woman t-shirt, this can be baby item, whatever it is. If you go in Amazon or any other big online store, you see there are a lot of different category like electronics, bus, homes, furniture and stuff. So collection basically is all right here. So for this one, in order to be relevant with the product, we add this. I am just going to say alright, so the description for the collection is not important. You can obviously skip it, but if you want to add, you can always add. This is just a brief description of what the collection is about. Alright, next we have the collection time, and here we have the manual or automatic. If you want to add automatic, you have all the condition right here. This is where that is important. So product tag is equal to the whatever tag you want, and whatever tag it is matched with, all will add automatically in this collection. But I don't want to do this automatic way, because maybe something I add in the wrong tag and it is going to mess up. So always I prefer doing it in a manual way and adding the product manually. Alright, next we have the search engine listing preview. This is the same. This is for SEO, which means this is how it's going to show up in Google search or any other search engine. This is not what you will see in your website, like title and the description. You will fill it right here and it will be showing your Google search result. Alright, it also have the option to edit the URL of this particular collection. On the right side, we have your collection availability, and make sure you check it online store. If you don't, it will not be available on your online store. Alright, next we have the collection, which is optional. You can add it or skip it. If you want to add it, then you can obviously add an Amazon, and this is something which is the show up in your collection. Let me show you an example of how this will look in the collection space. We have the right now here in the men's collection and the collection, and you can see right here is the man face pen, and we can see that right here this is actually called the collection. You will actually see an horizontal image, mean horizontal you want it at the way, and this is the image. If you don't want to add it, you can skip it and the image will not be shown here. This section will be smaller. But if you want to add email, this will be try to show it right here at very top. Alright, so that is the collection, and it is up to you whether you want to add it or not. And lastly, we have the online store theme template. Always keep it in default collection, and that's it. We just click on theme and save it. Now let me show you how we can add the product in this particular collection called men's search. So we will just go back to the product. I am just going to add the t-shirt in the new collection we created that in mention. Alright, so here in the collection I click here, and as you can see we have the option mentioned here. We can just select it, and then we have can remove the home page, and let's click on save. This way of product is that will be added in your collection men's t-shirt. This is, my friend, it is really simple and straightforward. This is how you can have the collection in the Shopify. I hope you really enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video to your friend. I will see you guys in my next video.